Hi, I'm Rich Schwerin with Oracle. Today we're going to be focusing on Oracle E-Business Suite and Oracle Premier Support. Joining us today is Jeannie Lowell. Hi Jeannie, good to see you again.
Great to see you, Rich.
So Jeannie, before we dive in, tell us about your role at Oracle. What's your focus?
Great. So I'm Vice President of E-Business Suite Product Strategy, part of the applications development group that supports and innovates E-Business Suite. My key role is really two things. One is cross-suite product planning. What are we doing in the product to keep delivering new capability? And secondly, communicate what we are doing so customers can plan for how they best take advantage of it.
Yeah, perfect person for us to talk to today. So Oracle E-Business Suite has a long legacy. Could you walk us through some of the highlights of this legacy?
Sure. Yeah, Oracle E-Business Suite, long legacy from which we expect to continue for years to come. Part of that's part of Oracle's Applications Unlimited, which is Oracle's commitment to keep innovating on existing product lines while we're building and delivering next generation. So our customers should really be confident we'll continue E-Business Suite innovation for years to come. Looking at specifically what have we done, even in the last year, it's been an incredible year of innovation for E-Business Suite. We had a 12.1 release out that's been out for several years. We just put out a major new release, 12.2. We're delivering some additional new capabilities around use of Endeca and mobile apps and other new apps. So a lot of new innovation that we're delivering to our customers, and excited what's more to come.
Tell us about some of the key strengths of Oracle E-Business Suite.
So the key strengths of E-Business Suite are the strength of the integrated suite, integration between the functions and to support a global business. And we keep building upon that strength. Secondly, it really drives to integration with the broader set of applications and technology that Oracle has. Again, we build upon that. And finally is really ensuring we build upon the flexibility and scalability to let the applications grow with our customers. And all the things that we keep, customers rely on and we'll keep improving.
Now let's focus on the key new features in Oracle E-Business Suite 12.2. Tell us about all this innovation.
Great. Yeah, 12.2, major new release that came out in this fall in 2013. And its signature feature is online patching, focused for global organizations, for those who want to reduce downtime to run their global organization, given they have a global single instance. And what online patching does is allows you to patch or upgrade while users are on the system. So really cutting that downtime down to minutes. Important for this building upon our strength.
Good.
Beyond this signature feature, we look into the functional advancements, a broad range across the functions we have in E-Business Suite. Examples that we're seeing here, some of them might be, it's an example of selling subscriptions through order management. So, very much fitting into the model as companies are selling product and really looking at the services that they also offer. But many broad range of functional capability. If we look beyond that, it moves into mobile. So we also released a mobile expenses application. So really letting people interact with E-Business Suite in a way that they're used to, on the go. Expenses is one example. There's more that we have to come. And all of this is part of the support offering that our E-Business Suite customers get. And then finally, a new innovation we've done is around taking embedded BI and transactional BI by leveraging some technology Oracle had called Endeca. And really what you're seeing here is dashboards within E-Business Suite to allow users to understand what are the open transactions that they need to focus on, prioritize, and act on them very quickly. So it's really information-driven navigation to really put this operational reporting in the hands of users so they can get their job done more effectively. This is an example of us extending the suite with new products, and a lot of the other innovation is with existing products that they get part of Oracle support. So really it's a broad range of innovation that we're doing, and more to come.
So for the Oracle E-Business Suite customers watching today, what does Oracle recommend?
Good question. And I think partly it depends on, leverage its innovation is a simple message. But how do you get there? Probably depends on which release. The first thing is if you're not on one of the latest releases of 12.1 or 12.2, we say upgrade to that latest release. It's a foundation from which you can take advantage of these other things. And then it's really look at kind of layers. This wheel is showing layers. I upgrade. How do I take advantage of new features of products I have? How do I look at taking advantage of this Endeca-based information discovery? How do I look at extending with new products E-Business Suite has delivered, which kind of easily extends? And then how do we look at the coexistence that Oracle delivers as part of the broader portfolio? But I think typically customers look at a multi-year roadmap from which they look at that value. And there's more and more to come and a lot that people can take advantage of today.
So what are Oracle's investment priorities for E-Business Suite?
Good question. I'll break it into three. The first one and the key focus for several years to come is user experience. How do we simplify the user experience, building upon our strengths of integrated data and processes? And some of that, part of that is with the Endeca use that I talked about, mobile, and also just how do we make screens easier for people to do the functions they need to do in whatever device is appropriate for them. A strong focus for us delivering to our E-Business Suite customers. in addition to then following up with additional functional advancements and lowering the cost of ownership of running our apps, building upon that. So a lot of innovation and excitement to come.
How does customer choice fit in with our support timeline?
Oh, great question. One, building upon Oracle's leading support offering, and this customer choice applies to e-business suite, particularly in which release should they do to take advantage of this innovation. And we've made some recent changes to our support timelines for 12.1, so really giving customers a choice. You can leverage 12.1 or 12.2, 4 years to come based on the support timelines noted here, so that customers can feel comfortable leveraging either of those releases and getting their business value.
We've talked a lot about new features, new innovation. Obviously, there's a lot going on with Oracle e-business suite. How can customers stay in the loop and stay connected?
Yeah, lots going on and many ways to stay in the loop. One is through our support info centers, as listed here. Also our blogs, particularly our technology blogs and others. Information on upgrades, and also some information on our social media. Twitter feeds that you get multiple things daily, and other social media. So many ways that you're seeing here to stay connected of what's going on.
You mentioned upgrades. Where can customers go for help with upgrades?
Two key areas of upgrade. One is justifying why upgrade, and some resources there as listed of helping justify both cost, value, and understanding that. Secondly is then how to upgrade. What are the best practices? So an upgrade best practices white paper, in addition to Info Center, proactive support, a number of resources that are available to customers as listed up here.
What other services can Oracle e-business suite customers take advantage of?
Many resources to help. One, it starts with this support. What do you get as part of support, as listed here, whether they be support communities, advisor webcast. But in addition to that, helping with training. Oracle University then offering training so that you can train your users of what they need to do with the new application. Beyond that, then getting expert services with Oracle Consulting, and even with Chemly analysis and doing the upgrade. And then finally, looking at Oracle having an offering to host and run your applications with our managed cloud services. So letting you run eBusiness Suite in the cloud. So a long time service, actually we've had it for many years and have hundreds of customers using it, but it's another option for customers to really let Oracle do more for you as you take advantage, as customers take advantage of eBusiness Suite.
Very good. Well, thank you for all your time today, Jeannie.
Thank you.
And thank you everyone for watching. For more information, you can visit oracle.com/support. Thanks.